Welcome back. Today we uncover the truth behind sneezing. Sneezing is our body's way of protecting us from irritants. When something like dust or pollen enters our nose, it triggers a reflex that expels the intruder. This process involves a complex chain reaction. Our brain sends a signal to our diaphragm and chest muscles to contract, forcing air out through our nose and mouth at high speed. Sneezing can release droplets traveling up to 100 miles per hour. It's a powerful defense mechanism that keeps our respiratory system clear. Speedy.